Hi, my Princess House fans, Linda Bradley. I have a very special offer for you today that I think you're going to really enjoy. So, today is Tasty Tuesday. Join me in a few minutes after this video and I'm going to actually show you some great recipes. But I wanted to talk to you today about our Vida Sana cookware. So this cookware was introduced last year. It's exclusively made for Princess House and it's been one of the most popular collections, and I'm going to tell you why. So everybody is concerned about health, which you should be. You want a healthy heart, healthy body. And so what's really nice about these pieces of cookware is that you can make your foods, your chickens, your meats, your fish, without any added oils or fats. It's amazing. So it holds 67% of the nutrients. So for those of you that want the good quality food, you buy organic, this is going to keep it, okay? It's going to have the nutrients stay in the food. And you're going to see the difference with your vegetables and then of course your meats as well. It also cooks 29% faster, and we're always in a rush. So I want to show you the difference in these pieces. So first of all, it's made of 5-ply, okay? Most of our cookware is 3-ply construction: stainless steel, aluminum, stainless steel. This is stainless steel, aluminum, 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 stainless steel. Now, aluminum is the highest conductor of heat, and that's why you want to use it, but it's not good to cook in, so you have to have it covered with stainless steel. But it's not heavy, and that extra aluminum cooks it faster, all right? Now, here's what the difference is in these pieces. So it has this special little knob on here, all right? I don't know if you can see it. And what happens is you can either use these traditionally. So here's a nice big 12-inch saute pan. You can see how nice and thick it is. You can use this for any stews, anything that you normally want to make. It's nice and deep. You can go ahead and use oil if you want, butter, whatever, but you don't have to. So one of the little areas that you can put this vent to is traditional. So you can use it like you normally would. When you go ahead and use this for vegetables, and like I said, join me in a few minutes and I'm going to be showing you. You put your vegetables in here. Oh my gosh, I did it in the summer with corn on the cob. It was amazing. You put in just 1/4 cup of water. You put the lid on and then you turn the handle to the whistle. You put it on medium, and then in about 3 to 5 minutes, you will hear it whistle. Once it whistles, you turn the vent to then steam. This is like a Nutri-Seal. And in 5 minutes, your vegetables are done. They're amazing. To go and cook your meats, you do it a little bit differently. You put it on the burner and you let it heat up first. So you go ahead and put it on with no oils or fats. You go ahead and just put it on medium and you let it warm up for 3 to 5 minutes. You put some water in here. Now, if it steams up, it's not ready yet. You want the water to roll. It's really fun to watch, actually. And then you put your meats right on it. You can season them first and everything. You put your meats on it and you put the lid on it and you wait about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you go to turn them. If you go to turn them and they won't come up, they're not ready yet, all right? Once you turn them, then you're going to put your lid on, you're going to put it on the Nutri-Seal, and you're going to cook it for 5 minutes, and it's done. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. So these are all in the book. I have 2 special offers that I want to tell you about. This is a 12-inch skillet, this is a 4-quart casserole, and this is the brand new one. This is a 2.5-quart casserole. So if